I'm Dr. Ryan Dickey, plastic surgeon at MD Anderson Cancer Center in Houston, Texas. I'm excited to discuss this article, 3D-Printed Surgical Microscope, an innovative, low-cost solution for global microsurgery education by Dr. Samuel Poor and colleagues. In this article, the authors constructed a low-cost portable microscope kit consisting of two binocular optics of 6.5 or 8.5 times magnification and a 3D printed plastic chassis with mirrors allowing a top-down view of the magnified field. The microscope can be configured with double or single head viewing. A camera with video feed can also be integrated for viewing and teaching. The total cost of this microscope is $400 and can be packed into a single checked bag for travel, representing a fraction of both the cost and size of traditional microscope systems. The authors report using the microscope for global surgery training in both Vietnam and Rwanda. Some limitations of the system include lack of independent height adjustment and ergonomic adjustment of the eyepiece. I applaud the authors for this creative and efficient design, which opens the door to microsurgical training in resource-limited countries. In addition to global surgery, this portable microscope could be used locally to expose trainees interested in microsurgery or deployed in hospital workspaces for practice during downtime. We as plastic surgeons are also not the only specialty to utilize microscopes, and this system could have application in global surgery across a range of subspecialties. I look forward to future iterations by this team and the potential for validating a clinically applicable design.